Ooh. Empty. I poked my little camera up through the floor over here, and there is a hot air vent. Because originally I wanted to put it here, but without and I may pop a hole in here just to confirm, but oh, that's a 2x6 wall as well. Nice. I may just well, no, I'll have to leave it here, but that's okay. Good news, bad news. Good news. This is a 2x6 wall, so it's extra depth because I think they've got the heating duct here. Bad news. Whoever framed this house decided that 16 on center was not the way they were going to do it. So the preform niche, which I don't need anyway, it was just convenient, is not going to be used. I'll just build it out myself. So I have discovered that the distance between the studs is not uniform all the way up. 13.5 here. 14 1/8 up here. So we're going to, this one is plumb, this one is not. So we're going to build this out to be the same width. I've made the backer just so nobody pokes through I didn't want to use the back side of the outer facing drywall as the back, just in case someone decides to put a drywall plug in and try to hang a picture. So I want that, and then the drywall. So that's plumb, the edge of that. So we're going to shim out the drywall to be perfectly plumb on both sides. Back in, Got the top in, which is not drywall because I didn't want to put one of those push-in lights that have these little springs on the side into drywall. I tested it out, made a little bit of a mess. So we're going to put on the last of the drywall, the base, right side plumb, left side, sorry, the opening is wider out of plumb, so I'm going to use some mortar just to make the drywall stick out and become plumb, let that dry overnight. Then I can do the corners tomorrow, mud it, and then build the shelves. Getting there. Loaded out the drywall because the corner bead made this stick out and then it wasn't square, and I thought it was going to be a bear to get perfectly square shelves in there. So we'll try that. Nearing the end game. Finished lacquering the shelves in the satin finish. Looks really nice, very smooth. And getting them to actually fit between the two walls was a little hairy, and there was a lot of swearing, so there's no video. And now I'm just going to make some permanent connections instead of just twist and tape on these. It's only 12 volt, but I don't want to have to worry about a connection being loose if there's ever a problem. It's either the light is dead or the light is not dead. So, onwards. Last chance to get it right. Got the glue. Construction adhesive. A little bit's going on the rails, the back rail, the side rail, and in the front corners that will eventually slide into the rail. It's never coming out, but the lights should be serviceable. Same thing. We'll put some PL Premium in here. Sides, back, slide it in, leave it alone. The shelf is there forever. Lights are serviceable. Wiring is soldered. Should be able to just replace the lights at will.